Hi guys, welcome back. So if y'all have watched the recent shot that I uploaded, you'll probably know that we had to choose our majors, like our specialization verticals for SEM 2. So I'm doing my majors in UX design and I'm going to take you through first few days, weeks actually, of being a UX design student. This was also the time we had our college fest coming up. So this video is a good balance of classes, assignments, submissions, all-nighters, and college fest events and workshops. I hope you guys enjoy watching. So this day we had a UX talk seminar kind of thing where they call in industry experts who share their experiences, talk about their projects and all. It went on for an hour or so. Then we went back to class. We were doing usability metrics that day. I was one of the users being questioned, so I did not really understand what we had to do with the numbers and the formulae behind. So this was one of my friend's laptop who was trying to explain it to me. We have an English communication class once every week for which most of the people only show up for attendance because it is kind of useless. They keep talking about that one same exam in every class instead of teaching. But I have to be there because I'm a day scholar and I reach college at 8:30. This is like an extra credit course that we have to complete. After the communication class, we do have some time for our actual classes to start. So in that time, I was working on one of my assignments. We had to write a book review, so I was just reading the book for that. And in the afternoon, since our classes got over a little early, my friends and I went to a cafe nearby. This was me working on a group project, leaving all my individual assignments aside, for which I then had to pull all-nighters. I don't even know why I was doing this. This was our display of the course where we just had to put up all our work and explain the process and the final outcome. This was for the group project I was talking about, and we were also selling really cute stickers which one of my friends and I worked on. Everything was Inside Out 2 themed and it turned out really cute.
Cool. Yeah, some of those will be nice.
Okay, so this was when I started losing it because you see the time. We had our submission at 8 a.m. in the morning, and I slept at 6 a.m. and I still hadn't finished. And I obviously was not going to submit incomplete work, so I had to submit it late. And I regretted it so bad, even regretted pulling an all nighter because I still couldn't get my work done. And all nighter is just not for me. I'm never doing this again.
Bad traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it.
Okay, so this is Fest day 1, and I had registered for a lino carving workshop. The toughest part of this was lino carving because I had never worked on this material before, and especially with the designer I chose, the carving was kind of difficult, so I inked it the next day. But this is how it turned out. Not bad for a first try, I guess. Let me know how you guys like it in the comment section.
Take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I never let you go.
Fest day 3, and we had a candle making workshop today. It was my first time making a scented candle, and it was so fun. These are a few candles my friends and I made. The wax ornaments and glitter just put it all together. It looked so pretty.
If I took you for a top-down drive, just you and me and an empty road, maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back in, baby, go, go, go. Oh, I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. Just take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I'd never let you go. Oh, I wish I'd never let you go. I wish I'd never let you go. I know you've been asking about me. If I tried though to take it all back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. Just take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see.
So we were all really excited for the fest because obviously it was our first college fest, but it was not as fun as it looks. It was not worth the excitement. Everything just seemed so rushed for some reason, like the prep. I mean, it felt like a very last minute thing. Things went on till late night, like 10:30, 10:40, and not all of us could stay back at college this late. And there was a dance competition and a concert, but the concert started at like 9 when the time given was 6:30 or something. I also heard a few seniors say that the fest was much better in the last few years, but this year it was just not it. It was not at all well planned. And the third day, there was a singing competition, I guess. There were bands coming, and literally, people did not even stay back, including me. Even the hostelites just went back home before the event even started because there was a 3 day break after that. It was a long weekend. So, yeah, we were all really excited, but this was kind of disappointing, honestly. After a few days, I opened and lit up the scented candle, and it smelled so good. I think it was jasmine and lemon combined. It smelled so good and even looked so pretty. So our first UX course is over, and this is me taking off my to-do list. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.